about embroidery. Okay guys, so different embroidery, handmade, and um, I just try on. Okay guys, so I let you see how does it look with embroidery, guys. Okay guys, so here we are. Okay, there you go. Okay, embroidery flower. Okay, so as you can see, handmade embroidery. Okay guys, so this is handmade embroidery. Okay, so this is one. Let me take a picture first. Oops, where's my remote control? So this, I should remove my hair like that so you can see. You can see the flower. Okay, so this is also embroidery. As you can see, just the less inside, but this is all embroidery, guys. Handmade embroidery. The pattern, the stitches is like that. Okay, and also with my new leather. I wanna check, remove this one. My new leather that I bought it collection. You can see very short. I will try on. Okay, so try on match with this embroidery, guys. So let's take a look. So this is it. Try on number two, guys. Try on number two. The see. The leather with also design like embroidery. They make it. So what do you think? Like, you know, on see, as you can see, I can dance also like. See, see. Like I can model. Okay. So let me take a picture. Like. And if you are not a subscriber, please comment down below, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to join me, you can join me. You can see my purse. your movies also, and so please check it out. And I hope to see you guys, and I hope you like it, this video guys, for try on all my embroidery stuff guys. Okay, so I will try again one more time picture. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching.